Here's a cam chain tensioner from the rear of the SV650. We got the tensioner fully extended right now. It has this gasket that I'm not going to be replacing, but it's got a gasket right there. On the back, it has this super fragile one that I pulled it off with a razor blade to try to keep it. You can see I lost a little material there, but I think it's going to still work fine. It's held in by this little 10mm. The tricky bit about this thing is that you need a special tool, which you can buy for like $100 now. It's something ridiculous. Or you can make one. So how this thing's going to work is if I take a screwdriver, put it in there, as I turn clockwise, it's going to retract the rod. My hands are all full of oil, so I can't grip this. There, see how it's coming in? We need this to be all the way in when we put the cam chain tensioner back onto the bike, so it doesn't force it further than it needs to. And then when you pull it, that cam chain tensioner is going to shoot back out, put that tension onto the chain. So this tool is going to allow me to wind it, and then it has these two little lips here that I can press into the depressions there. And I should be able to then leave it, install it, and then you pull the tool out, and the cam chain tensioner is going to shoot that rod into the cam chain. So there. Now, see, I can lock it. With just a screwdriver, I can't lock it. So when I go to install it, I need to install it, not disturb this once I have it bolted in. Pull this thing out. There it is. Way easier to show on here than it will be installing this rear one. Don't know how that's going to work yet. Fuck! Oh, that might work. Positioning it. Fuck! Oh, that's so scary. Damn it. Then just to be totally clear, that is the cam chain tensioner stopper plate dimensions that they give. And I just kind of ballparked it and kept taking it over to the grinder and cutter until I got something that worked. All right, so now we have to pull our scary pin, our special tool out, and it's going to take the slack out of there. I'm going to grab it in 3, 2, 1. It's full of oil. It's going to take longer. Oh, there it goes. There. We have tension on our cam chain. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought, but I don't know how you do it without removing the rear wheel. I just don't.